Imagine a motorhome that looks like it just rolled off a sci-fi movie, set a mobile mansion with the power of a super truck and the luxury of a 7-star penthouse. Today we're exploring one of the most futuristic and intimidating motorhomes ever designed, a beast built for people who don't just travel, they conquer the road. The body is finished in a stealth matte black coating, giving it a military meets luxury presence. The sharp lines and aerodynamic surfaces reduce drag while making a bold statement of dominance on the highway. The LED headlamps are shaped like futuristic eye streaks, slim, laser-like, and incredibly bright for night driving. Integrated side lighting runs the entire body length, giving it a spaceship-style glow when parked. There are 8 heavy-duty wheels with reinforced suspension built for both luxury cruising and long-distance stability. Each wheel is supported by an independent hydraulic system for extra comfort even when the road isn't perfect. Underneath this colossal body sits a high-torque hybrid diesel-electric powertrain, delivering the brute force required to pull this rolling palace. It combines a powerful diesel engine for long-range travel with electric support motors for low-noise urban cruising. The torque output is designed for massive weight, providing smooth acceleration even on steep hills. Despite its size, advanced steering assists allow easy control, and the active braking system ensures maximum safety on highways. This isn't just an RV, it's engineering excellence on wheels. Step inside the cockpit, and it feels more like entering a jet aircraft than a motorhome. The driver's seat is a fully adjustable captain's chair with massage functions, lumbar support, cooling, and heating. A panoramic windshield wraps around the front, giving the driver a near 180-degree field of vision. Digital panels replace traditional buttons with navigation, control systems, tire pressure monitoring, camera views, and energy usage all displayed on smart screen. You don't drive this motorhome, you pilot it. As you enter the living area, the first thing you notice is the space. This feels like a luxury apartment, not a vehicle. Premium leather sofas, mood lighting along the ceiling edges, and futuristic windows create a cinematic travel atmosphere. A large smart TV, built-in surround sound, and climate control convert the lounge into an entertainment suite on wheels. The materials used inside are high-grade composites, polished metals, and engineered wood, giving a balance of durability and luxury. The kitchen is compact but fully equipped. Induction cooking surface, touch panel smart fridge, microwave and convection oven, filtered water system, soft close storage cabinets. There's also a fold-out dining table that easily serves 2 to 4 people, perfect for long journeys or campsite meals. Moving further inside, the master bedroom offers hotel-level comfort. A large bed with premium mattress, night lighting, wardrobe storage, sliding privacy door, and a skylight window overhead for stargazing at night. Built-in wireless charging, smart climate control, and acoustic insulation ensure total relaxation even when the world outside is noisy. Depending on configuration, this futuristic motorhome can include a rooftop lounge, solar panels, satellite internet, and even a hidden garage for a small car or electric bike. With this level of technology and craftsmanship, the cost easily reaches $4 million to $8 million, depending on customization. This is not just transportation, it's freedom, luxury, and power combined into one moving masterpiece. A futuristic home for those who want to travel the world without ever leaving comfort behind. If you enjoyed the tour, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which part of this motorhome impressed you the most.